Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to use Pokemon Go, but it's currently down for the maintenance. Please try again later. I'm getting this error. So what's really going on with the Pokemon Go and when the maintenance will be going to conclude? Today in this video, we'll be going to check out all the details. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so right over here onto the Twitter, tons and tons of people are talking about Pokemon Go. So what's the issue going on? Well, Pokemon Go down. Local chats only active, the game goes down. Check this out just few minutes ago. Niantic help. These servers are down. My second account is down, but my main account is up and running. My friends are also saying that they can't get on Pokemon Go, as well as others are saying they get the same exact message. So here's the thing guys, Pokemon Go is facing some kind of outage scenario. In fact, here you can see tons and tons of people are reporting Pokemon Go down. Pokemon Go down just 12 minutes ago. So you see guys, tons and tons of people are reporting. That means you don't have to worry about it. It's not just you and me who are facing this issue, but tons and tons of people are facing the same exact issue. Now let me show you what's really going on. So first, alright, so right over here onto the down detector, check this out. 1630 outage reports as of right now. I'm doing this video, which is a pretty serious one. So guys, do let me know, is this the same issue are you facing right now? So let's check it out, all the latest details right from the Pokemon Go Twitter official page. Alright guys, so just 20 hours ago they have got this new tweet. No tricks here, get reads, raid passes. So nothing special. This is regarding their pumpkin pack, the bundle which are available in Pokemon Go, 60% off. But talking about the latest update regarding the server status, well, they do not have any latest update. So well, what does Niantic support has to say about it? The game developers, well, check this out guys. Here is some kind of activity going on, and here's the thing. So there are tons and tons of people are talking about it, and here is the thing guys, let's check it out. Trainers, this issue is now resolved, affecting Skorupi and Rapin have been updated with the correct gender, now available to be traded with other trainers to be transformed to Pokemon Home. Thanks for your patience. This is the recent tweet just 21 hours ago. But talking regarding the specific details regarding the servers and all that, well, let's check it out the Niantic Twitter official page, then the Pokemon Go. Well, as of right now, Niantic has no update. The Niantic support has no update as well. The Pokemon Go page is kind of empty regarding the server status. So guys, definitely we can see for yourself. The Pokemon Go is down for tens and tens of people. Once I get any latest details from the game developers, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe.